In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use requirements in Jira. For many of you, whether you're new to Jira or just looking to better manage your project requirements, diving into issue types is an essential step. So let's jump right in and explore how to make Jira work better for your project management needs. First, to get started, we need to head over to our project settings. Within that section, you'll find an option labeled Issue Types. This is where we can customize different types of issues that help us sort and manage work the way we need. Once you're in the Issue Types area, you'll want to look for a button or link that says Add Issue Type. This is your starting point for creating a new type of issue specifically for your requirements. Click on that and you'll be prompted to give your new issue type a name. In this case, we'll call it Requirement. It's essential to name it in a way that is easily recognizable for your team members. After naming your issue type, you'll have an option to add a description. The description field is crucial because it provides context about what this issue type is for and how it should be used. Make sure to write a comprehensive description that can help others understand the purpose of the requirement issue type. Next, it's time to add an icon to your newly created issue type. You'll find an option to change the icon. Selecting an appropriate icon not only visually distinguishes the requirement from other issue types, but also aids in quick identification. Choose an icon that represents requirement well and is intuitive for your team to recognize at a glance. Once you've set up the name, description, and icon, go ahead and click the Create button. This will save your new issue type and make it available for use across the board in your Jira project space. Now the next step involves going back to your board. This is where Agile teams manage their tasks and workflows. To create a new requirement, begin by creating a new issue. While doing so, make sure to select Requirement as the issue type from the drop-down menu. This selection ensures your new issue is categorized correctly under the requirement type you just set up. Filling in those issue details like summary, description, and any pertinent fields is vital. These details help define what the requirement entails and ensure everyone on the team is on the same page. Be thorough here. The more detailed and clear your description, the better your team can understand and implement it. Finally, with everything filled out, you'll simply need to click the Create button to wrap up the process. And there you have it, you've created a requirement issue type in Jira. Now you can manage your requirements more efficiently and help streamline project workflows. Follow these steps and transform how you track and handle project demands effectively. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.